Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, what an insane day in cryptocurrency. We had a huge drop from 30,000 all the way down to 27,250. And then a run up all the way back to 29,800. So what do the bulls have to do in order to put in more upside? Right here, technically, you've got a high, and then essentially this is your low, this is your high, but it's a lower high. This is a higher high because you bullishly retested it. This is positive. At this point, this is a lower low, but if this pushes higher, then you're looking for your next low to be a higher low, and then we could go even higher, 31,500, 33,000, 35,000, right? This could be this giant parabolic price rise. You lose and you break down and you start confirming this type of bearish price action, things change quickly. Very clear and easy to see on this chart. You got the Bitcoin daily chart. We talked about how important this red trend line was previously, where you lost it, you bearishly retested it, and then you regained it. And all the sellers were right here, and you popped up above it. And we said, what did Bitcoin have to do? 28.8. Right now, you're at 29,427. So you got to break out with, look at this volume. Volume be your guide. If you get a bullish retest here, you could see much higher prices. Now you're going to have a hard time right here. Pond is filling up. So we added an extra 8 inches to the overflow pipe. So we're going to raise the pond about 8 inches. We might go 16 inches. Just depends on how high the water level goes. Then we're going to bring prod in. We just planted centipede grass, which is going to grow and make the grass beautiful like this all the way around the pond. So then we're going to take sod anywhere that the water level isn't high enough. We're going to staple the sod to the sides of the bank, so we'll have a perfect looking pond aesthetics.
You are soaking wet. It's lightning outside.
Veronica's yelling at me.
It's lightning.
Lightning. It's thundering. I don't know how to quit.
Come on.
In life, push yourself. Most people don't. Remember that. Now, if we go over to the Bitcoin CME futures chart, it's a lot cleaner, right? And you can understand the price action a lot easier. It's larger than Bitcoin spot. It's harder to manipulate. So you had this rising channel, and then you had a shoulder, head, a shoulder breakdown, and this was the top of this rising channel. Then you have this falling channel, double bottom down here, and then a run up, and now bearishly retesting this lower trend line. If Bitcoin doesn't put in a higher high, you're coming back down here for lower prices for Bitcoin. So it's make or break right now for Bitcoin. Bitcoin CME futures just gives you a cleaner chart to look at, and it's very important to use to your advantage. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he made 1,400% on ETH short, 1,000% on a Solana short, 167% long, 1,300% on a Mana short, ETH 239%, 628% on a Mana long. Listen, we've got videos that will teach you how to trade leverage in the group. If this seems daunting, you've never traded leverage before, start with spot, start with small amounts, learn how to trade this market. I will get you here. I will get you trading with leverage if that's the direction you want to go. Low leverage, 3x, 5x, that's plenty. You don't need anything more than that, right? This person, I really appreciate your words. Means a lot coming from you. I 2x my money since the last time we talked. Doubled his money. We talked a couple weeks ago. This person from Australia, on a Monday, he turned $610 to $2,240 watching the videos, paying attention to announcements. We're giving constant updates of what's going on in the market, what to trade, what to buy, the best coins to be in. It's easy. Jasmine up 365%. This person is a stay-at-home mom with 4 daughters. Her husband lost his job, and they've been living off crypto most of the time. In the meantime, I'm trying to keep our house and pay our bills off. I got down to $60,000. I saw her crypto holdings go. She joined the group. Crypto holdings went from $40,000 to $200,000. I was in shock and awe how this was even possible. And that's the thing. Most people can't even comprehend how easy it is to trade this market once you know the rules. If you do not know the rules, you cannot win. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We nail the bangers every single day. We just started a futures trading group where you can trade with leverage, and they're killing it like in 1 day. 100%, 100%, 100%. All these gains are crazy. We're rolling this out early to leverage traders who are very advanced and can pass a basic test. And because we don't want a bunch of people just going in and getting wrecked. Okay, it's a responsible thing to do, right? And so the DXY looks like it wants to break higher on a double bottom. If it does, you're going to see stock weakness, potentially crypto weakness. And so very important to pay attention to the dollar. It's 2022, August 10th, 2022. Bitcoin dominance has been working in this range. And I want you to notice this. Every time it runs up to the top, in the past, it's gotten rejected hard. Rejected hard, rejected hard. Long wick reversal, long wick reversal, long wick reversal. Well, now it's up here and it's hanging out. It got rejected and it's going after a second attempt. If Bitcoin dominance breaks out, I'm looking for a total Bitcoin season. Bitcoin can pump much higher than any of these altcoins. You will have to find the anomalies to be in altcoins that are making more money than Bitcoin, right? So again, if this thing breaks out, it means more money is going into Bitcoin than into the altcoins. One big price spike from Bitcoin dominance, and you'll see a move out of Bitcoin. So you want to pay attention to this chart as well. SEC. So Coinbase suggests that the SEC is motivated by Gary Gensler, who is the chair of the SEC, his own views. And so they're going after him. And they say neither Coinbase or the legal landscape has changed for the factors that have motivated the SEC's actions. Coinbase doesn't list securities. The situation hasn't changed. The SEC reached preliminary determination that aspects of the company's core business violate securities laws. Coinbase is want to get to the bottom of this. They just want the framework. Just give us the rules. Tell us what the rules are. Don't just keep targeting and picking off these exchanges and these cryptos one by one and suing them and just crumbling them. Give us a given rule set. The United States is amazing because you give any type of law and order in the United States, and you'll have accountants and you'll have lawyers picking that thing apart. They'll find the loopholes and they'll work around it and work through it. Obviously, they'll follow it, but they'll find the loopholes. And this hasn't been able to happen yet. And so this is huge for us in crypto. And so we want to make sure and pay attention to this idea. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.